We understand that, say, basically buyer of the call will have a kind of diagram like this. We understand that, say, this is exercise price, this is exercise price plus premium, and this is what we understand is a profit or loss. This is what we understand is as far as the call option holder is concerned, and seller of the put. So basically, in case of the seller of the put, the diagram will be like this. So statement is correct to the extent that the call option holder and put option seller दोनों का expectation ऐसा ही है कि price of the security बढ़ेगा. That is the reason say they are entering into this kind of transaction. Question में आगे ऐसा दे रखा है therefore the positions are identical, ये गलत है. As far as the call option holder is concerned, we understand that so the call option holder will have unlimited profit potential. That is what we understand. Over here there is a limited profit potential. The profit is restricted to the premium amount only. This is what's the first basic difference. Second thing that we understand, that call option holder will have maximum loss equal to amount of the premium which is paid. In case of the put option seller, the maximum amount of the loss is equal to the difference between the exercise price and the put premium. ऐसा हम लोग समझते हैं. This is the way we have a kind of differences. So let us answer the question. Call option holder and put option seller expect that price of security will increase, full stop, with paragraph write down. However, call option holder has unlimited profit potential full stop. Put option seller will have limited profit equal to option premium, with paragraph write down. Call option holder will have maximum loss equal to call premium and put option seller will have maximum loss equal to a difference between exercise price and put premium. So this is the way we have the profit for the call option holder and profit for the put option seller in a situation where the prices are increasing, पर दोनों का पोजीशन आइडेंटिकल नहीं है, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम लॉस है, मैक्सिमम गेन है, उन सब में डिफरेंसेस रहेगा.